First tell, that never lies. Shaking hands when betting big. That trembling means they got the goods. Strong eye contact trying to stare you down. They're usually bluffing. Weak players look away when they're holding strength. Watch how they handle chips. Nervous fumbling means weakness. Smooth and confident means a monster hand. Hesitation before betting is gold. If they're thinking too long, they ain't got much to work with. Body language tells a story. Slouched and quiet means fold. Leaning in means they're coming for your stack.
Start a live chat now to join one of our clubs or ask us any questions. Message at bluffingmonkeys24_7 on Telegram or visit bluffingmonkeys.com and start a live chat.